In this video, I'm going to show how to connect Metamask extension to Shibaswap. If you want to learn how to do this, then watch this video. In this video, we're going to show how you can connect Metamask Chrome extension to Shibaswap. There are 3 steps to this. The first would be to download Kiwi browser, and the next one would be to add Metamask extension to the downloaded Kiwi browser, and the next one would be to connect to Shibaswap. Now, I have a video. The link to that video is in the description of this video. Make sure you check the description of this video. You're going to see it. That video explains to you very vividly how you can add Metamask extension to Kiwi browser. Okay, so if you don't know how to do it, make sure you watch that video before you continue, because the next thing we're doing now is we're going to the third step of this video. Now, this is Kiwi browser. If you click these 3 dots and scroll down to this place, you're gonna see Metamask here. Okay, so I have Metamask as an extension. That's exactly what the video I was talking about teaches. It shows you how to add Metamask as an extension to this browser on your mobile phone. Okay, that's exactly what I'm talking about. So you click this Metamask here, then you would see this requesting you to log in. So I've keyed in my password. I'm gonna click unlock. So once you're logged in, this is how it's going to look. So what I'm going to do is to click these 3 dots to expand view. So if I click expand view, wallet gets positioned properly. Now you can see the wallet is positioned properly. So what you're going to do is, if you look here, it says account, it says 1. So if I click this, it shows me the various accounts I have here. I have account 1 and then account 2. So you're going to decide which of these accounts you want to add to Shiba, you want to connect to Shibaswap. Mind you, if you want to add another account, create another account, sorry, you would click this button down here and then create another account. Okay, so let's say I want to add this first account or connect this first account. So I'm going to click that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come over here where I have this little box, okay, and click that. Once that is clicked, I'm going to hover this thing here to this plugs icon, click that. That's going to create another tab, okay. So I'm going to search Shibaswap. I already have it here, okay, but for the purpose of this video, you're going to search it. Search shibaswap.com. So you're going to see this. So this is where you're going to search shibaswap.com. So here on Shibaswap, this is how it looks. You can see here it says connect wallet. By the way, to have this kind of full view, okay, I have a desktop view even though I'm on a mobile phone. How do I have this kind of view? If you click these 3 dots, before I searched this Shibaswap, I checked this box here, okay. So if you check that box and then search Shibaswap, you're gonna have this kind of view, okay. So once you're here, it says connect wallet. You can see where it says connect wallet, okay. So if I click that connect wallet button, it shows me the 3 possible wallets I can connect, okay. So Metamask being the wallet we want to connect, so I'm gonna click that. And now I click that Metamask and then it started initializing, and now it brings me to this phase where it says next. So I'm gonna click that next, and then I'm gonna click this connect. So back to Shibaswap, you can see here now that my wallet is connected. It doesn't say connect wallet again, okay. So if I kind of like zoom that, you can see it doesn't say connect wallet. If I click that, it shows me this, okay, and you can see here it says change, okay. That's to tell you that the wallet is connected. If you want to change, if I click that change, for example, it's going to show me the other possible wallets I can change to. I can change to wallet connect, I can change to Coinbase wallets, okay. So that's it. This is how you can connect Metamask extension to Shibaswap, okay. I have a video where I showed how you can connect your Metamask wallet as an app to Shibaswap, okay. The Metamask app, downloaded app on your mobile device, how you can connect it to Shibaswap. I'm gonna leave the link of that video below the description of this video, okay. So if you want to know how you can connect the Metamask app downloaded on your mobile phone to Shibaswap, watch that video. What I basically showed is how you can connect the Metamask extension, Metamask Chrome extension to Shibaswap. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video, and before I sign out, let me show you how you can also disconnect it. Back to your Metamask wallet, if you want to disconnect the account you connected, all you need to do is to click these three dots and then scroll down to this place where it says connected sites. So you can see it shows Shibaswap. We're connected to Shibaswap. All you need to do is to click this delete button, and boom, you would delete that connection. Okay, so this is how you can connect it. This is BrigsLBs, and this is your guy Ken signing out.